What's up, everybody? Your guy on the road saying what's up. So, Indian River. This is, Tuesday, 4/29. So it's been about almost a week. I'm at this milk plant. I got here at midnight. They didn't want to load me. They said that I didn't need to be here till 8 a.m. Indian River called me about the truck. They said, sure, we're gonna fix it. Yeah. You know, let's get, so they're aware of everything. So everything's going good there. I'm going from up here in Virginia to St. Petersburg, Florida. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go probably to the yard to get the truck fixed. And then from there, who knows? So gotta do the pump training. It takes a few hours because I have experience as a tanker driver. So anyways, Indian River so far has been pretty cool. I wouldn't have too many complaints. I mean, the truck was a little dirty and there was some minor issues, but like the truck has issues, you know, mechanically, but they're fixing those. The trucks themselves are nice. They're Peterbilt's 579s. They're big old trucks, and I mean, they're small for me. I'm used to the big giant condo cabs, but it's not a bad truck. The loads have been good. The dispatch has been good. There's been a lot of communication, So I wouldn't say it's been bad at all. The loads are easy to read. I call and get answers, and they're pretty open communication. So far, so good. I'll let you guys know more. Love your fellow brother and sister truck driver. Until next time, survive and stay alive. Peace.